The U7 error code in air conditioning systems is mostly related to the four-way valve. The four-way valve is an essential component in air conditioning systems, whose main function is to reverse the refrigeration cycle, allowing the system to operate in both cooling and heating modes. In simple terms, this valve redirects the flow of the refrigerant. In heating mode, the high-temperature, high-pressure refrigerant is directed towards the indoor unit inside the premises. In cooling mode, the high-pressure, high-temperature refrigerant is expelled to the outdoor unit, located outside the premises. This way, the valve switches the roles of the heat exchangers depending on whether heating or cooling is needed. Common symptoms of four-way valve failure are: the system does not switch between heating and cooling modes. Unusual noises, like banging or clicking, when trying to change modes. Loss of efficiency in heating or cooling. Perform the following steps to correct the U7 alarm code. 1. Inspect the valve for visible signs of damage or refrigerant leaks. 2. Ensure all connections are secure and there is no excessive corrosion or dirt. 3. Listen to the sound the valve makes when trying to change modes. A functioning valve should make a distinctive sound when shifting positions. 4. Use a thermometer to measure the temperatures of the inlet and outlet pipes. A significant difference could indicate a problem. 5. Connect a manometer to the system to measure pressures at different points. A faulty valve may cause incorrect or inconsistent pressure readings compared to normal operating expectations. 6. Check the voltage and continuity in the valve solenoid. A defective solenoid can prevent the valve from shifting positions correctly. 7. Sometimes, cleaning the connections and ensuring good electrical contact can resolve minor issues. 8. If the issue lies with the solenoid, replacing it may be an effective solution. 9. In cases of severe mechanical failures or structural damage, it is necessary to completely replace the four-way valve.